Welcome. Today, we explore the energy management strategies, or EMS, in a hybrid energy storage system, often called the brain of the system. HESS combines two distinct technologies, a fast flywheel with millisecond response and a long-duration flow battery lasting over 12 hours. The EMS controller decides which one to use and when. Renewable sources like solar and wind are not steady, leading to sudden drops and spikes in power. The EMS uses the fast flywheel for instant response and the flow battery for sustained long-term support. The EMS must automatically choose between these two tools at every moment. The EMS is real-time software that monitors 4 key factors every millisecond: grid frequency, power output from renewables, the state of charge of both devices, and load demand. It then sends dispatch commands to both the flywheel and the flow battery. The rule-based EMS uses simple if-then logic, defined by engineers before deployment. It is predictable and reliable for known events, like activating the flywheel if the grid frequency drops. However, it cannot handle unusual situations outside its programmed rules. Fuzzy logic moves beyond simple yes or no. It uses degrees, allowing for responses to gradual changes. For example, it defines battery charge not just as full or empty, but as very low, medium, high, and full. This handles complex, gray area scenarios better than simple rules. The AI-driven EMS learns from experience and predicts future power events. It aims to predict sudden drops, optimize the energy split, and adapt to system changes automatically. Techniques include reinforcement learning and model predictive control. In an 80-megawatt drop example, the EMS detects the gap and activates the fast flywheel first to stabilize the grid instantly. It then activates the flow battery, which ramps up over 2 seconds to cover the remaining deficit. Finally, the EMS recharges both devices once the cloud clears. Comparing the strategies, rule-based is low cost and fixed speed, while AI-driven is high cost, fast, predictive, and learns over time. Most modern HESS installations combine all three for optimal performance: rules for safety, fuzzy for operation, and AI for optimization. In summary, HESS uses fast flywheels and long flow batteries. The EMS is the brain, deciding device actions. Rule-based is simple. Fuzzy handles gradual changes, and AI learns and predicts. Most real systems combine all three layers. The EMS makes the HESS intelligent. Without this control logic, storage devices are merely machines. With EMS, they become one smart, reliable power system, using rule-based, fuzzy logic and AI-driven control.